stabilized. God damn.
6:30 a.m. We're sleep deprived, but we mobbing out today. That's it.
I'm sorry for the shakiness.
I need to stabilize it.
He has PC Racing coilovers.
And full tubular suspension.
Ah! Sorry for motion sickness, people. Sorry. I am one of those.
I know I didn't give y'all much of an intro, but we got the car back. It's reliable. Put quotes around that because it is a Ford, but it's reliable. I need to do a couple more cosmetic things to it. I didn't want to do it before the show because I do need to get my rear bumper. I didn't get my rear bumper repainted, so I have to 3M the canards on there, and I don't want to have to 3M on the old one and then take them off, and yeah, so I'm gonna just wait till I get my rear bumper painted, the new one, and then we'll throw everything on. But what y'all will see today is probably going to be all over the place. I'm gonna participate in car limbo, even though my shit ain't that low. I'ma still do it because race car. I think that's it, right? I don't know. I'll see you on the next clip.
Bro, why you still have that hat on? Goddamn. Didn't we discuss this already?
Shut your ass up.
You calling me ugly with that shit on?
Relax, my boy. Relax. I know you still mad. We whooped y'all in the fucking playoffs, bro. I know you're mad. Hey, do you remember the score, or was it too bad of an ass whooping?
What are you talking about? Did you go to the game?
I watched you from home.
Oh, so you're not even a fan to go to the game?
Damn. Hey, how much did you pay to see y'all team lose?
They were expensive. Expensive. What were they, like $500-600? Some shit like that?
Damn, just to see your own team lose, bro. Damn, bro. Come on now. Come on.
That's what fans do, bro. That's what fans do.
Hey, watch your team lose?
Stay at home.
Hey, I don't make that night differential like you, my boy.
It's alright.
Hey, you need some lotion, Jose?
It's alright.
We got CeraVe in the car. You need some?
Hell yeah. How proud my shit is. You're asking. You should know. Just next time you see me, just slap.
How you like it so far? What got you in the car? The whole lifestyle and all that.
What got me into cars was just seeing Dodge Pound past the freeway once.
Oh, I'm not really into cars. You're at a car show. Bro, that's insane. Oh, I'm gay, but I'm gonna go to a strip club.
It could be a gay strip club.
Not when you go to see chicks. I know chicks with dicks, but God. Oh, they were talking to this guy? That was you? You're the one that said that?
Let's see what we got.
Never seen my goddamn good Instagram name like that? You're the one that said I'm not into cars. That was you? Oh, what the fuck was that? I like these.
Chief Mucho.
We're gonna get some food right now. We're hungry. She's hangry. I'm hungry.
I'm not hungry.
You're hangry. She's hungry. Look at these, look, bro.
Long live the boat.
I know. Now. Okay. We're good. See y'all later.
He lost the chicken tender. He dropped it because it's clumsy.
We're tired. We're gonna eat. You know.
It was a good show. I don't mean that sarcastically. I'm just on 4 hours of sleep.